Hi kids, in the previous class we were discussing about the chapter mensuration exercise 10.1. Today we can deal with section 12 and 13. 12th question says that two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Then one more thing they have given that the perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. Then we should find the third side. Okay. See, this is the required triangle and whose perimeter is 36 centimeter. One side is 12. So here I can mark as 12 centimeter and the other side is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. We don't know the length of this side. Okay. So see, this is the boundary of this triangle and the length of this thread is 36 centimeter. To find the length of this side, the third side, first we should add the lengths of these two. That means the given length 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. These two are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. We should add both these sides and the sum should be subtracted from the total length. Total length is 36 centimeter. So, we can do the steps like this. Perimeter equal to, they have given perimeter equal to they have given it as 36 centimeter. And we know the formula for perimeter for a triangle is all the sides are different for this triangle. So, A plus B plus C is the formula for finding the perimeter of this triangle. That is equal to 36 centimeter. And they have given A and B. That is 12 and 14. So, we can substitute here 12 plus 14 plus, and we don't know the side C. So, we can write C as it is equal to 36 centimeter. Therefore, C equal to 36 centimeter. That means total length of all sides minus 12 plus 14. We should add both the given sides. 12 plus 14 equal to 36 minus 12 plus 14 is 26 equal to 36 minus 26 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is the third side. So here I can write down 10 centimeter. Now we got all the three sides. I think you understood this problem. See, next problem is find the cost of the fencing of a square park of side 250 meter at a rate of rupees 20 per meter. First we can analyze this problem. See, here is a model for your square park. The cost of fencing, we should find the cost of fencing for this square park. They have given the length of one side is 250 meter, but they didn't give us what is the rate of fencing one side. They have given us, see, imagine that I have divided the length 250 meter into 250 equal part. That means one part will be 1 meter. You can see the small dots here. From starting from one dot and going to the other dot, we need 20 rupees for fencing. For fencing that small part, we need 20 rupees. Okay. To find the cost of fencing this side we should multiply 250 with the number 20, because for one piece we need 20 rupees. For 250, such 250 pieces are there. So for 250 pieces we need 250 into 20. So we will get the cost for finding one side of the square, but we want whole side. We should need the fencing for the whole square park. So 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 should be multiplied by 20. That means 250 plus 250 is repeating 4 times, means that gives us the perimeter of the square park. So perimeter should be multiplied by the number 20. I think you understood the concept of this problem. We can do it with steps. So first we can find the perimeter of this square park. Now we know why we need the perimeter. Perimeter equal to it is a square park, so A is the one side, A is repeating 4 times. So perimeter will be given by the formula 4 into A equal to 250 equal to 4 into A is 250 equal to 4 into 250 equal to 1000 meter. So perimeter is 1000 meter. So next step is for cost for fencing 1 meter equal to rupees 20. So for getting the final answer, cost for fencing the whole perimeter, that means 1000 meter equal to 20 into 1000 equal to, so here I can write down rupees 20,000 we need for fencing the whole square park. I think you understood the concept of this problem and the method to do this problem. If you have any doubt about the concept and the method for doing this problem, you can definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas. Thank you once again.